What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Satoshi Nakamoto, and in today's video, y'all, I want to talk about XRP price chart. Okay, and here we have XRP right here. This is the price of XRP. We're gonna come back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We always have to respect the big daddy, no matter what. You guys know that, because Bitcoin dictates the price of the cryptocurrency markets. But for now, let's analyze the price of XRP. So this is the price chart of XRP in the short term. This is the 4-hour price chart right here. You can see every candle represents 4 hours. And what we have going on here is actually a perfect setup for another leg up to about almost $1, 96 cents to $1. So yesterday we were kind of forming this little handle, okay, and then today we actually saw a nice green candle to the upside. This is actually perfect because we wanted this level to hold right over here. And then look, as you can see, if we zoom out a bit and we go right over here, you can see that this is actually sort of a level of support that was in the past. If we take this rectangle, this box, you can kind of see that this area is a pretty important area, right? We kind of fell out of this area, traded it sideways, boom, came back up. Now we're just retesting, and we're going to make our way up to about $90, my bad, to about 90 cents to $1. This is the price chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very important to watch, y'all. We finally, look at this. This is, you know, I love this. This was so annoying waiting this whole thing right here. Let me show you real quick. When we hit the new all-time high right over here at almost 69,000, and we started retracing down. We traded sideways, we went down. We traded sideways, we went down. We traded sideways, we went down. Finally, now we have something going on. Now we can talk about the price chart. Now we can see that there's actually something really pretty cool forming. And right here, let's take a look. We went up. We went up again. Now again, we're coming back to retest this very, very important level right here. This is actually perfect, you guys. This is exactly what we want to see. You never want to see these markets just shoot up in one green candle like this. We don't want to see that, because bulls go up the stairs. We don't want to see green candles like this. We don't. Seeing small pullbacks like that is totally healthy, totally normal, because from there, what we're going to do is we're going to form another step. And then we're going to pull back a little bit again. And then we're going to form another step up. Okay? And that's how that's how Bitcoin retraces. And like I said earlier, in my videos, I believe that Bitcoin is already in the bear market. Okay? I believe that Bitcoin's in the bear market, and we're actually just making our way up to about 56,000, and this is how I came up with that. Let me show you real quick. If you pull up the fib retracements from 68.8 all the way down to 33,000, 34, let's make it a little lower, 33. Okay, the fib retracement would be to 0.702, would be right around $58,000, right? So from anywhere from this level, 55K to about 58K, when Bitcoin retraces up and gets rejected from these levels, which I believe it will, that's when a true bear market sets in. And that would be pretty much a confirmation that we are in the bear market. But, you know, people will think as soon as we get up here, most people would say that, well, Bitcoin is up. We're about to break into new all-time highs, blah, de blah, right? Not true. We are in a bear market. And we're just waiting for this retracement to come in so that these altcoins, kind of like XRP, right? Like I said earlier, I'm expecting a $10 XRP at the minimum. So this would be great to see. But we're just, again, we're watching the Big Daddy. We're watching them work its way up. We're kind of retracing back just a little bit right over here. And then we're going to make our way up again. That's exactly what we want to see. This is really healthy, a really healthy level right over here. We're actually pulling to that level that I really wanted to see. 40, 41, maybe 40,000. And this actually really resonates with this guy. This guy right here, I don't know him personally, but he tweeted a really interesting thing that actually really works with my theory. Check this out. He said, when comparing the breakout of the summer 2021 low to current PA, we can find some cool similarities. After finally breaking above the consolidation zone 0.618 Fibonacci, we went straight up and topped just a small percent above 1 Fib. This top was marked by a clear bearish divergence. And this is what he means, y'all. Let's take a look a little closer. It was in July and August. Right here. July and August of 2021. We had a little cool off right over here. Bitcoin kind of went down. And then if you look at the RSI, we clearly got bearish. We went to bearish divergence and we immediately flipped to bullish divergence. And what he's saying is that we're having a very similar pattern right now forming. And that means we will come back to about 41,000. Right here, you can see it. Right here, 41,000. So, 41,000, I'm thinking even maybe like a little bit lower. Maybe a quick wick that gets bought real quick. And then what we see? Well, that's a question mark. That's a good point. Bearish divergence. Bullish will turn into bullish divergence. That's what I believe is happening right now as well. This guy is a stud. Looks like he knows his stuff. This is very interesting stuff, actually. So, we'll see if this plays out like that. We also have to watch the DXY, the dollar currency index. Here's what we have going on. The dollar currency index went up, it went down, and now we're kind of recovering again. We have a green candle today. That's not so good. We do want the dollar DXY to drop, to slowly start making its way down, to drop below this blue 9 MA line, because whenever DXY drops, whenever the dollar currency index drops, that's when we see a huge spike in the cryptocurrency markets. Okay, so that's why we really want to see that. Looks like we're recovering a little bit, but hopefully we come down. That's what we want to see. And this right here is the XRP versus BTC. So XRP dominance has been going up over the Bitcoin dominance. Perfect. That's perfect to see that we actually do really want to see that. This is great news for XRP. For really the whole altcoin market, because altcoin market has to kind of take over, which that's exactly what it's doing right here. We can see that. And from there, we're going to have a nice alt season. Expecting an alt season in about a month. And I'm thinking it's going to last about 2-3 months. So, or it could last faster. We don't know. We'll see. With that being said, y'all, make sure you hit that like. Make sure you hit that subscribe. make sure you share this video, and I'll see you all in the next video.